How to create a PayPal account. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can create PayPal account. For that, open the PayPal app or launch open any web browser and go to paypal.com. Once you get here, tap on the sign up option. First thing you want to do is enter your email. Once you have entered it, tap on next. Now the next thing you want to do is enter your phone number. Go ahead and enter that, then tap next. Now enter the code sent to your mobile number. Once you have entered it, create a strong password. After creating a strong password, tap on next. Here you will have to fill up your personal info, so go ahead and enter your first name, middle name and last name, then enter your date of birth, then tap next. Now enter your address line. After you have entered your address, you want to check the box that says you agree to terms and conditions. Now tap on agree and create account. As you can see, your new account has been successfully created. Now you can either shop with PayPal or send payment. You can also link a card if you want or skip this for now, and in this way you can easily create a PayPal account. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.